everyone, it's Missy. So I ended up purchasing a new bird bath for my garden, and this is from VIVOHOME. And I was trying to find something that was cheap. Now this is a plastic bird bath. It isn't going to be anything that's heavy. So I've had like resin or concrete bird baths. This is going to be very lightweight. But I was going to do an unboxing so you can see. And then of course I'll have the product that I purchased on Amazon linked below in the description, so that way you can see for yourself if this is something that you're interested in. So this is the bird bath itself. So I purchased like a bronze. It looks almost like a lily leaf in a way. It has a nice wide basin. The basin is not very deep. It's actually quite shallow. But this will work perfect for the garden that I want to put it in. And yes, it's very lightweight. I do see they gave instructions, which don't look very hard. I mean, it only has about 5 pieces in the box. So this would be the base. Everything looks like it's been packaged well, so it has a nice ornate design. It's made to look like an antique bird bath, and I really do feel it looks like one in person. The color's showing up pretty true to what I see in person as it does on the camera. And then I have these, which are supposed to help anchor the base into the ground so the bird bath doesn't tip over. You could also add some sand into the pole, it looks like, as well. Because as with all these light bird baths, they will tip over if it gets too windy. So, very nice ornate design. And it looks like all you do is you just screw this in. I don't know if it's, well, yeah, it's working. It's a little rough, but it looks like it's gonna hold. There we go. So I got that part in. And just one more part to unpack, which is the pole. And as you can see, it's hollow, so you can definitely put some kind of sand into the center here to hold it. It looks like the narrow end is on the bottom. And this is really how fast it's being put together. I heard on the reviews that it was super simple, super easy, no tools required. And so far that's proving to be the case. There we go. All right, so all I need to do is put the top on. So this is the top portion, the wider portion of the pole. And I'm just gonna line up the threads. And just spin it on. And then I'll probably add some sand when I go outside to install this. Alright, that's it. That is a really nice bird bath. I'm really happy with this considering the price. Very cheap. So 3 feet, it looks like in height, has a nice, the bowl has to be 1.5 feet in diameter. This is without me even measuring it, but yeah, that's about what it looks like. So let's see if I can get a nice shot here. So I will definitely be putting this out in my garden. I think it will blend in real nice next to the pond. And yeah, I'm just really happy with how it looks. It looks like a really nice bird bath if you want to put one in a garden where you you can change out the water or add water as needed, because with that shallow bowl it is going to dry up fast. But overall, I am very happy. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!